Guys, for today's video, di ba na tandaan nyo na merong mga issues before about Atome na tipong merong mga unauthorized access, di ba? And somehow, medyo kumonti naman na sila. Pero, meron pa rin ako nababasa na kahit papaano mangilan-ngilan over the internet about unauthorized access sa Atome card nila. Ngayon, may response dyan si Atome. And ang response niya ay isang feature na sinasabing makakapagbigay daw sa'yo ng peace of mind in terms of unwanted charges. Unwanted charges meaning ito yung mga charges na ginawa ng mga scammers, etc. Somehow, your credit line will be protected from these charges. Ang ganda, di ba? Pero, wait lang, this is a premium service.
Ano mo sabihin dyan?
Eh, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So, samahan niyo ako, sit back, and let's discuss coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge. Naginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas, at kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so sinabi ko kanina na may bagong product or service na nilagay si Atome sa kanyang app para maprotektahan ang ating mga credit line sa mga unauthorized charges, which is a good thing. However, ang hindi maganda dito is that it's a premium service. Ano ibig sabihin? Well, it's a form of insurance. It's a form of insurance na kapag nag-subscribe ka dito, ay maproprotektahan na daw ang inyong credit line from these unwanted charges. Somehow, medyo okay siya na may ganung protection, but naisip ko.
Bakit kailangan mong magbayad for that protection?
Well, silipin muna natin itong ino-offer ni Atome na service niya bago tayo magbigay ng conclusion. Okay, so kung makikita nyo dito, ito yung dashboard ko, scroll lang natin pababa, ito, may financial offer. Sabi dito, Chubb Insurance, 60 pesos monthly premium, shield Atomic cards safely. This Atomic card shield is underwritten by Chubb, administered by Neuron Financing Company Incorporated. Protect your online purchases. Shop with a peace of mind knowing we've got you covered. Ito daw yung benefits. Your purchase will be covered in the event of fraud, unauthorized, non-delivery, inaccurate description, damage during transit, accidental and malicious damage, and theft. And then, ito yung monthly premium na i-charge sa'yo or babayaran mo for that peace of mind. Monthly premium at just 62 pesos inclusive of all applicable taxes. Unless canceled, the plan will automatically renew on a yearly basis. So, ibig sabihin, yearly basis to, 62 pesos times 12, basically, sa unang subscribe mo, matcha-charge ka na ng 744 pesos. Refer to the policy wording for full details on benefits, terms, and exclusion. Medyo balikan natin yon maya-maya. So, ito daw yung covered. Covered ang online shopping, fraud, unauthorized transaction, accidental damage, stolen items, accidental death, accidental disability. Well, etong accidental death and accidental disability, medyo okay naman to, nakasama to. Pero, sa totoo lang guys, medyo hindi ako nagtitiwala sa ganitong klaseng insurance, yung protected yung purchases mo from scam, so on and so forth. Para kasing napakaganda, later on kapag mag-claim ka, parang papahirapan ka. Pero tingnan na lang natin. How it works, turn on Atomic Card Shield, a premium of 60 pesos will be paid through your Atomic Card limit. You will be automatically charged on a monthly basis. Coverage can be canceled anytime. Monthly coverage naman pala siya. Pero kapag nag-renew na ng isang taon, that would be the one-time charge, 1 year. Napakasimple lang daw how to submit a claim. Select the policy and click Submit Claim to be directed to Chubb Philippines Claims Portal. Provide the required information. Claims will be processed within 14 days. Napakadali, di ba? Napakadali. So, ano ang point of view ko about this service na to? Well, itong company na to, na si Chubb, ay the same company na nagpo-provide ng insurance sa ating mga GCash. Alam niyo yung pag magsisend tayo, yung ititik doon na parang may 30 pesos tapos magiging protected ka for 1 month. So, parehas siya. Siya rin yung insurance company na nakakontrata kay GCash para protektahan ang ating mga transaksyon. Kung titingnan natin, napaka-simple kasi ng alok nila sa atin. Pero kapag tiningnan mo talaga sa policy, medyo baka dun ka ma-technical. Kung hindi ikaw yung taong may tiyaga na magbasa, baka nagsasayang ka lang ng pera at umaasa sa proteksyon na baka hindi naman talaga available sa inyo. Example na lang ito na nasa Reddit na nag-post about sa claim niya kay Chubb. So sabi dito, has anyone tried Chubb's G-Insure for online scams? I got scammed on Facebook page for a resort not knowing it wasn't legit. I sent a total of 20,000 plus. I was just wondering if Chubb can give it all back. And what's the branch bank code I should put if it's my BDO bank? Or where can I find? I really don't know because BDO only gives 3-digit but Chubb is asking for 6-digit. Please help. So, mag-concentrate muna tayo dito sa na-scam sa kanya. Basically, ito naman, sa GCash, merong limit dito na up to 15,000 lang ang insured amount. So, in this case, na 20,000, pag na-approve to, mababalik lang sa kanya ay 15,000. And dito sa post na to, ito yung mga comments. I recently got scammed rin ng isang resort, meta-verified siya. So, I thought legit siya and Chubb didn't recognize my claim saying it was not included in the policy. How can I claim? Please help. And then sabi dito, hi, me too, recently just now. Oh no, this isn't allowed. I emailed Chubb team saying what is the purpose of their insurance if they will not recognize scam like that. Anyone please enlighten us or help us. It's so confusing. Tried calling them first and every time the agent's line would cut off until it just went busy and I couldn't call anymore. Okay, eto naman, meron ding feedback. Hi, I am currently in the middle of getting my claims reviewed again. I emailed them multiple times because the policy is not clear and inconsistent. I was also scammed multiple transactions and here's what I learned. Hindi kasama sa policy nila yung QR transactions. Only express send. Hindi ko alam if nasabi na to before and nalaman ko lang after I availed the insurance. File a police report and submit kahit send lang sa email. 15K lang ang limit sa claim. Gamitin ng ChatGPT pag may tanong sa claim and how you can improve your stance and angle if you are requesting for a re-review claim. Oh, meron ng tip sa inyo ha. Basahin yung policy. Beware of misleading choices when submitting a claim. So, basically, kung isipin nyo, yung marketing nila is napaka-enticing talaga. Na tipong,
Oh wow, online fraud. Protected ka na. Di ba? Mag-avail ka na.
pero kasi lahat nun merong underlying mga ifs and buts sa loob ng policy, which kailangan mo talaga siyang basahin. If in case na nabasa mo na siya and you are good with that, alam mo kung ano yung pwede sa hindi pwede, and you still avail that protection, well, that's good for you. At least you're well informed kung ano yung kasama sa policy na pwede mong i-claim. But here's the interesting part na nga na sinasabi ko about this insurance. Wala naman talaga akong problema sa mga insurance eh. Like me, I have my BDO Life Insurance. I have insurance sa mga kotse. And lalo na yung sa mga kotse, napaka-helpful nun yung mga bangga, etc. etc. Talagang nakapag-claim ako doon at napaayos ko naman yung sasakyan ko. So, kahit pa paano, hindi naman totally blacklisted ang insurance sa akin. And sabi ko nga, meron akong BDO Life na insurance, sa health insurance, meron din ako na nagagamit ko naman talaga. Pero this is the tricky part ng insurance na sa tingin ko,
Kailangan ba talaga?
in the first place, mag-offer ang mga companies ng services, hindi ba dapat responsibilidad nila na magbigay sa atin ng secured platform para sa finances natin? Isipin nyo na lang si GCash. Bakit kailangan pa ng insurance kung dapat sa simula pa lang ay ang pakiramdam na natin sa bawat transaction natin sa GCash ay valid and official na hindi na-i-scam? Responsibilidad yan ng kumpanya. And in case naman kay Atome, I think it's also the responsibility of Atome na magbigay ng safe platform para sa ating mga credit line. Kailangan mo ba talaga itong insurance na to? Well, kung medyo nai-stress out ka or iniisip mo lagi ang security ng inyong mga credit line, meron talaga kasing mga taong ganun. Well, I think magbasa ka ng policy and then tsaka ka mag-decide kung mag-a-avail ka niyan. Pero para sa akin, the best thing to do for my finances, lalo na dito kay Atome, is just to lock your card. Always lock your card. Always freeze your card. Lahat ng mga debit cards, credit cards, and even this na mga buy now, pay later credits natin. Once na nakalock kasi talaga ang mga cards natin, wala na silang way for them to access our account. Unless otherwise, na i-log in nila ang ating account sa kanilang cellphone and meron silang access sa QR. That's another story naman. But in case nga dito kay Chubbs, ang sinabi dito na hindi kasama sa insurance ang QR transaction. Well, it might be different for Atome's case, so you may want to check the policy if it's included sa plan na to. Kayo, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo, do you really need to pay premium pa for assurance na mapoprotektahan ang inyong mga credit line or account? O you can be just vigilant and make sure that everything is in order na nakalock ang inyong cards? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for our monthly giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Chriscia Cortez Awa at Kateng Awa 7694. At sabi po niya, congrats po, pa-shout out. Kay Miss Chriscia Cortez Awa, shoutout po sa inyo and thank you so much po for watching and supporting my videos. Maraming salamat po. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!